You would not believe this. This guy, James, made $74,575 with this. Another guy made $17,517 with this. And one person hit the jackpot of $1,984,019 with this. And guess what? All they used were a free ChatGPT account and Google Drive. I was stunned to see how many people are making serious money with this. Trisha, for example, pulled in $53,076, and another guy made $17,711 with this. Intrigued? Let's dive into how they're doing it. First, go to chatgpt.com and create a free account. I won't show you how to do it here because it's quite simple. Then, I want you to enter the same prompt, give me 10 trending ideas for t-shirt design. Don't worry, we're not selling t-shirts here. Instead, there's a business model that goes beyond physical products. No shipping or selling required. People are making big money with it. Now, we will sign up for an Etsy account. You may just search for Etsy on Google and then select Sign In and continue with Google. That is the simplest method to accomplish it. And once again, we will not be selling handcrafted crafts, t-shirts, or anything else that is often sold on Etsy. This is a completely unique Etsy loophole that you've probably never seen before. Once you've created your Etsy account, click Get Started. Then select Let's Do This. Next, choose I'm starting to sell for the first time ever and scroll to the bottom to click Skip this question. Click Start Your Shop and set your language preferences. I'll choose the Indian rupee since I'm in India. Then we're going to name our shop, and I'm just going to name it Fresh Ink Crafts. You can make up a name for your shop. It really doesn't matter what it's called. And then pretty much your shop is set up and ready to go for this Etsy loophole. You might be wondering where I'm going with all this. So let me show you some live examples of this loophole in action. We'll need to do a bit of spying on different Etsy shop owners. Here's a website called Allura. What Allura does is it goes through and pulls data from all the Etsy stores that are out there, and it can actually show you how much they're actually making. For instance, I found a shop called Citras Graphics, which is using the exact loophole I'm about to teach you. As you can see, they've made $1,984,019 using this specific Etsy loophole. Let's head over to Etsy and check out the Citra Graphics shop. As you can see, many of their items follow a similar pattern. They're selling a pack of 1,000 plus t-shirt designs. They're not selling the actual t-shirts, but downloadable files containing thousands of unique designs you can use on t-shirts. It's incredibly easy to do, and I'm going to show you how in this video. Next, let's look at Mighty Bundle's shop. They are doing the same thing, selling t-shirt designs. By copying his store name and pasting it into the Allura Spy tool, you can see he's made $17,517 selling these downloadable t-shirt design packs. Another example is Family Craft SVG, who has made $53,076 selling downloadable graphic packs. The best part? We can generate all these images using AI in just a few minutes. Let's dive in, and I'll show you how it's done. Let's continue with setting up our Etsy store. I wanted to show you kind of the income potential there. We stopped at the point where we specify the type of item we are selling. In our case, we're selling a digital file. Select a supply or tool to make things. And for the creation date, choose 2020 to 2024 since we're making it now. Click Save and Continue and then Next. For the item title, use something descriptive like retro aesthetic t-shirt, bold 80s and 90s inspired design. Include keywords such as PNG files, DI projects, and digital to enhance search visibility on Etsy. Now, I'll upload some t-shirt designs, showing you how to generate these using AI shortly. I'm uploading 10 images, but I recommend uploading as many as possible. We'll have hundreds by the end of this video, so stay with me. I had ChatGPT write the product description, which I'll insert here. The next step is to use AI to generate all the images we will be selling. You won't need to create any images yourself. AI will handle it all. Remember when I had you set up a ChatGPT account earlier? We're going to use ChatGPT again. Using a specific prompt, we'll generate ideas for our t-shirt designs. This way you don't have to come up with the ideas yourself. As you can see, ChatGPT has provided me with 10 different ideas. I particularly like the one featuring retro aesthetic design inspired by the 80s and 90s, with bold colors, geometric shapes, and nostalgic themes. Now, I will ask ChatGPT to write prompts for image generation with this idea. As you can see, ChatGPT has generated 10 unique prompts which we can copy and paste in an AI image generator. Next, I'll use a free tool called Leonardo. Although it is not completely free, it will let you generate a limited number of images per sign-in. But again, you can sign in multiple times with temporary email. You know what I meant. I'll paste the text directly into Leonardo, which will generate t-shirt designs for us. As you can see, it has created 4 different designs that can be included in our t-shirt design pack. Download each design by clicking on the small arrow Download Image button, and then click Generate again. Leonardo allows you to create 4 designs at a time. I recommend creating at least 1,000 different images, whether they feature delicate patterns, classic cars, vacation scenes, or other themes. As you can see, using Leonardo to generate 1,000 images can be quite time-consuming since you have to keep clicking Generate repeatedly to create enough images for a design pack. Although ChatGPT provided a variety of ideas for t-shirt designs, there's a more efficient way to produce a large number of images quickly. I recommend signing up for an account on Runway ML. This service allows you to create up to 1,000 images at once, eliminating the need for constant clicking. While Leonardo only lets you generate 4 images at a time, Runway ML enables you to produce hundreds in a single batch. The downside is that Runway ML is a paid tool, and it can be a bit more expensive, but the time saved is worth the cost. Let me demonstrate. When you're in Runway ML, click the Batch button, and then Get Credits. This feature allows you to generate hundreds of designs simultaneously. The cost is $10 per 100 images, so creating 1,000 images would cost $100. Here are a few tips for using these tools. First, avoid using words in your images, as both Runway ML and Leonardo AI struggle with generating text accurately. However, you can still create some pretty cool images for t-shirt designs. Once you have your designs ready, simply click Download and save them into a folder on your hard drive. You'll need to spend a few days creating these images to build a substantial collection. Aim for 1,000 or more images in one folder to make your design packs highly valuable. The successful sellers I mentioned earlier, who are making tens of thousands of dollars, all offer thousands of images in their downloadable files, which significantly boost their value. Now, some of the main people that are buying this are people that actually sell t-shirts, so they don't have time to create all the designs. They're just looking for a quick way to get a large number of designs so they can have as many different types of t-shirts as possible. Most of them might not even know about tools like ChatGPT. Once you've created all your images, the next step is to upload them to Google Drive. Google Drive is essential because it can store all your images online, making it easy to deliver them to your customers without the need to email each one individually. Everything will be managed through Google Drive, and I'll show you how to do it. First, assuming you've spent the time creating over 1,000 awesome t-shirt designs that are now on your computer, you'll start by uploading them to Google Drive. Click New, then Folder Upload. Navigate to your hard drive, where you'll see your folder named Images. Select this folder, and it will prompt you to upload all files. Confirm the upload, and you'll see the progress as the entire folder is uploaded to Google Drive, making it easy to deliver digitally to your customers. Next, click New again and select Google Docs to create a new document. In this document, include a thank you note and any necessary instructions. This document will serve as a delivery mechanism since platforms like Etsy don't allow the upload of very large files directly. Instead, you'll create a small file with a download link to your Google Drive folder. It will all make sense as we proceed. You're going to create a Google Doc, and you can use this exact text. Thank you for shopping with your store name. You'll be directed to your files by clicking the link below, followed by the words click here to access your file. Next, go to your Google Drive where you uploaded all those images. Navigate to the folder you uploaded, click Share, and then click Share again. Change the setting from restricted to anyone with the link. So anyone with the link can download the file. Click Copy Link and paste it into the document. Now, anyone who clicks on that text will be directed to the Google Drive folder containing all your images. Finally, click File, then Download and select PDF document. Exporting as a PDF is ideal because it's a universally accessible format. The resulting PDF will contain the link that directs customers to your Google Drive folder with all your designs. Now, let's bring everything together. Start by navigating to your Etsy store and clicking on the product we created earlier in this video. Once you're on the product page, click Edit to make changes to the listing. Scroll down until you reach the Digital Files section, where you'll see an option to add file. Next, upload the PDF we created earlier. This PDF is crucial because it will be automatically delivered to customers when they purchase your digital product. Etsy takes care of the delivery process, ensuring that the PDF is sent directly to the buyer. After you've uploaded the PDF, take a moment to review everything to ensure it's correct. Once you're satisfied, click Save and Continue. This final step completes your first listing, making it available for customers to purchase and download. Congratulations on setting up your first digital product on Etsy. If you want to expand and make even more money, you can take that exact same PDF we just made and sell it on other sites like Redbubble and Zazzle. These platforms operate similarly and can help you reach a wider audience. To really maximize your earnings, consider getting the email addresses of the t-shirt companies that purchase your design pack. Add them to an email list so that every time you create a new design pack, you can immediately notify your customers. You could say something like, "Hey, we just released a new design pack, available for download for only $5. Thank you for joining me on this journey to create a profitable digital product business." If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. I'm excited to see what you create and achieve with this method. Feel free to share your success stories in the comments below or reach out with any questions. Until next time, keep innovating and growing your business. Happy selling!